This is Matt, and yeah, I've been building again. This is a latest project of mine. I call it Decision Margin. It's about the 12th site sort of project that I have online right now. So this is a very simple, stripped down calculator site. As we say up here, this is practical calculators for real world decisions. Clear numbers, no hype, quick sense checks for money, time, and online income decisions. So you can sort of view all of the calendars right here. You can see them there. There's a little search so you can figure things out. You can do some sorting options right there as well. I've got all the categories up here. So the main categories are money, time, work and career, habits and consistency, decision making and trade-offs, and online income. And you can do these little drop downs here to see all of the different ones we've got. So like I say, this is stripped down. It's just the actual calculators. I'll show you one of these if you wanted to do, say, the take-home pay calculator right here. You then get a decision right here, the US or the UK one. Still working on the US one. That will be coming soon. I've got the UK one right here. So you click on that, and then we've got a breakdown of what the calculator is so you can fully understand what each of these calculators are. And all of them are obviously different. They all work on a very specific reason and use case. So in this case, you'd enter your take-home income right here, your actual income, even your gross annual salary. Pension contributions, you can obviously change the percentage and it will change the results down here. You can even say if you have a student loan plan as well. So you can get the full breakdown there for income tax, national insurance, pension, your monthly take home and your annual take home right there. So I've got tons of these different calculators, everything from, I always find this quite useful if you want to know the days between a certain date. So we've got a calculator for that. That's quite useful. Work and career stuff, pay rise, reality calculator. There's the overtime worth it calculator. You can check that one out as well. And again, you can read about each of these calculators to see if it is the one for you. So all of these, I've spent a lot of time working on these. There's a lot of detail here, and I feel like depending on your use case, you'll get a lot out of this site. So you can find it at decisionmargin.com. Obviously, I'll have the link in the video description, so you can just click that and wind up on the site. But yeah, if you're looking for any kind of real world calculators to work things out, whether it's money, time, work and career, and so on and so forth, check out Decision Margin. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.